So I'm going to review what is called final. In Java, constant are identified. The result word is called final. Normally is uppercase, like this: final double quarter value equals 0.25. Next thing is static final. Static final is if this variable is final but using several methods, then we call static final. So final, like e pi, will be like that. Let's review something called input box. Input box. So there's an input box here, and I'm really looking for enter price. Price will be decimal numbers. So, but the number entered from here will be string. So there's a string price. We're going to convert to a double price. The way you do is double DBL price equal double dot parse double, and put the variable string inside. Let's learn something about range. Okay, so range, for example, if I want to say between 0 to 40, the way I do is working out greater than equal 0, less than equal 40. That's a range. And we also can validate. So validate, we can say let me put you can right here, you can say if the number is less than 0 this side, or the number greater than 40. Validation. Let's check decision making again. This is for 2, okay, and this for 3 or 4, this for more than 15, okay, but 5 to 15. This is for anything greater than 20, but you can sort them. This is called if statement. For example, like this, once you can make them as a range, like, make them group. I group them, 5 group. If in this case, it's called if group. Okay, so whenever you see these, you want to choose if structure. When the if structure, the first group is if, last group is else, inside is else if. Okay, example like this. This is ascending order. Or again, whenever you see that, is if structure. Right, so we also learn something about double for loop. So look here, if I have 3 row, I put 3 here. 4 column, I put 4 here. Okay, and these are the picture right here, and show you. We also take a look right here. Okay, do while loop. So do you want to continue? Then as long as not equal to y, okay, and not equal to n, then we continue. Okay, so this example. Then next thing we learn is how to create random number. To create number, you do random. Okay, that's random class. rand equal new random. Then generate random number. If I want to generate 0 to 999, I have to put 1000 here. A number larger here. So if I put generated dot next 6, it give me 0 to 5. Alright? Okay, now let's take a look our final exam. Is okay? So I'm coming here. And let's take a look our final exam. Okay, let's take a look our final exam. and I'm going to preview the final exam. Is that okay? A lot of them I already go over them, so I'm not going to repeat. I just start with some. Is that okay? So for example, how about here? We saw this. Is that right? So this dialog box asks you to enter a price. Okay, so the price here is STR price. Okay, and you're going to save into DBL price. So DBL price equal, remember, is double. So double dot parse double, right? So double dot parse double and string price. So what do you think? Which one is a good answer? What do you think? Which one is a good answer? Joseph, what do you think? Okay, do you think this is a good answer? Yes or no? Okay, good. All right, good. So I'm going to clear and I'm going to continue. So this is similar thing. Then I am going to ask you this. All right, so I'm looking for a range between 0 to 40. I need to use and. Okay, greater than this, less than that. Okay, don't forget that's equal. All right, so we have this. And we have this right now. We are going to validate. So it's or. So 1 and 2 is gone right now. Has to be these two. All right, so invalidate, that means no good. So less than 0 is no good. Greater than 120 is no good. All right, so take a look this structure here. This structure is so-called if structure. Remember, if else if structure. Okay, then let's take a look something else right here. Equality is equal. Okay, then let's take a look here. All right, write the code for object random number called random generator. So random, okay, random generator equal new random. D is a good answer. One more time for this one. All right, for this one, and D is a good answer. Okay, for this one, D is a good answer. All right, so one more time here. Okay, so if I do generator dot next 0, it will give you 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Okay, then here I have how many row? Three row. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 column. That must be 4. Is that right? Right. Okay. Then 3 row, 4 column again. All right. So so that would be I review for the final exam. Okay.